Hi, this is Lauren Swenson with AOScan. Welcome to the video training series. This is video 4. In this video we're going to discuss how to set up a scan. Now there's a couple ways to do this, so we'll do one at a time. Okay, you're at your page, your scanner page where you've already entered in your information. You're ready to do your scan. You would click on this button down here on the right that says Research. If it's a return scan, and you've already done multiple scans, this is your maybe second or third or fourth time, you might just click View Results to go in and look at past. But for today, this will be your first one, so we're going to click Research. When we go into Research, we'll go into where you can set up your scan. Now if you'll notice, we are in the Psi mode, which we talked about in video 3, how important to be in Psi. And here's all of the items that are available to be scanned, and it shows you at the bottom there's 1,001 items that you could select, and out of those there's already 68 selected. The reason that there's some selected is every time Research is selected, the computer will automatically build a default scan. You'll never use those, so what you'll do, first thing you want to do is clear those out and just go over to Manual Choice, right over here, click Manual Choice, go down to the second to the bottom one that says Deselect, click that, and as you'll notice, now there's nothing selected. The easiest way to build a scan, especially in the beginning, is to go to System, and that's this middle button right up here at the top. When you click on System, it gives you a set of programs that are already pre-made. Some of the best ones to start with is Alimentary, the one here at the top. That's your entire GI tract. The next one is Blood and Lymph, your whole circulation and lymphatic system. And then the other one is Cardiovascular system. Those three are really good scans to start with. It gives a good overall look at your body. Now if you have other issues, maybe you're dealing with physical issues that have to do with maybe bad joints, arthritis, rheumatism, supporting motor apparatus at the very bottom, you have to bring the scroll bar all the way down, is another very good one for physical issues. But a general rule of thumb to, on your initial scans is Alimentary, Blood and Lymph, and Cardiovascular. Okay, so you can only do one at a time. So when let's say we're going to do the Alimentary, you would click on Alimentary. It would then load the Alimentary scan, and if you look down at the bottom, there's 62 items out of that 1,001 that are selected for this scan, and 4 have already been selected. Now again, we want to do the whole system, so what you'll do is instead of clicking every single one of these boxes, you'll go over here to Manual Choice again, click on Manual Choice, and go down and select all. One click and it did it checked all of them. So now your scan is ready. And all you'd have to do to start the scan is click Research, and you would immediately start to scan each one of these items. Before you would click the Research, you would want to make sure that your headset was in place. Now this is another important issue, and sometimes confusing for people. The headset has nothing to do with your hearing. What the headset has inside its cups are electromagnetic coils that are picking up ultra-high frequency sound and electromagnetic response from the brain. So if someone is deaf or has hearing aids, it makes no difference. In fact, you can actually put the headset on to where the band of the headset's around the back of your head and the ear cups are over the temples. Some people find that more comfortable and are also able to hear when they're talking to someone like their practitioner or to someone else that they're working with. They can hear better because the cups aren't in the ear. They do not have to be on the ear, they just need to be on the head. So again, before you click the Research button, make sure the headset is on the head. Now let's say that you forget to put the headset on. The system will still scan. It's scanning whether it's on the head or not. The difference is going to be the accuracy of the scan. So you want to make sure that the headset is on the head, and then you would click research, and it would systematically go through every single one of these 62 items and scan them. Okay, so this is one way to do it. Once that scan is finished, you could immediately, when it finishes, you could click on System again, and what will happen is it will go to the full catalog, which is 1,001 items. We don't want that. We want to go back to the system, click System again, and then it will bring up the pre-made systems for you. So we would go now to the blood and lymph. Let's say that's the one that we wanted to do. You click that, and again you'll see it will load the whole blood and lymph system. There's 44 items. You'd click Manual and All, and again every one of those is checked. But let's say that you didn't want to do a pre-made system, that you were familiar enough and you had some specific things that you wanted to scan. When you hit System, remember it toggles between the whole catalog or the system of pre-builts. So here we see there's 1,003 items here. We have an option of we can keep them in these groups, or we can go down to the very bottom of the page where it says by alphabet. You click that and it will then alphabetize the whole catalog. And you'll see at the very top you've got your chromosomes, those are the numbers, and then it's in alphabetical order. Again, you'll notice that the computer's automatically pre-selected 85 items. So you'd again go up to Manual Choice, click Deselect. So let's say that you wanted to do just parts of the DNA or parts of your joints in your body. You can select any one of those things, your intestines. You could look at the prostate, or you could look at different lymphatic areas, and you could click the ones that you wanted to scan, and then again you would click Research. So again, just to summarize, when you go to set up a scan, you have the choice of the whole catalog, or by clicking on System again, it would give you the choice of pre-made. Every time that you bring up a scan or a system, it's going to have a preset number of ones that are already selected. You would click Manual Choice, deselect to deselect them all, get what you want, and then hit Manual Choice again and select all. And then once everything is ready and checked, you would click Research. This will conclude this video. Hope it was helpful. We'll see you on video 5. Thank you.